Alright, we're still removing this air filter. Seems like that a two-parter for just taking out an air filter is a bit much, but that's car culture, right? So 210 millimeters here. This is just the inner fender liner. And basically there's a little cavity in there for that filter to sit in. And it does keep, obviously, a lot of, as you can tell, debris out, but you're going to be pretty surprised how dirty that is. I think in just 8 months. But they really pack these things in there, so we're going to have to remove one of those plastic clips. Hopefully that doesn't break. But anyway, we're going to have a seat. So yeah, these air intake kits, this is what us crazy car people do. And we do it for a number of reasons, but having fun and hooning around is definitely the main culprit, as you're going to see. That's good times. That's why we do these things. Find an empty parking lot where no one's around, you can just kind of tear it up and listen to your car just make noise and practice doing car stuff. Pretty much what it is in your own time. And speaking of my own time, there's my supervisor, Miss Snowball. Always checking in and making sure I'm not stuck under a car. She's a good cat. There's always one of these animals in these videos. Something else. Oh, there it is. So that's our air filter. It's hiding behind there. And it does look, not the K&N red, but once you clean them a couple of times, that red pigment's gone.
Why do we do these things?
Us crazy people, do all this work just to take out an air filter and clean it. In 8 months, mind you. A normal air filter probably will last like a year or more in its normal housing. As I guess you can kind of see in this thing here, it's filthy. You can't even put the flashlight through it. It's just pretty blocked up. So next go around, we're going to do some general maintenance. Show you what the mixture is to clean these filters and all the other electronics that need a little maintenance on the next one.